Hello everyone, my name is Isaiah Rodic Maliksi, and today I'm going to talk about functions in Python. Functions are one of the most important tools in programming because they help us organize code and make it easier to use. What is a function? A function is like a small machine inside our program that does a specific task. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we put it inside the function. Once it's made, we can use it anytime we want. Why use functions? We use functions to make our code cleaner and easier to read. These save us time because we can reuse the same block of code multiple times. Functions also make our programs organized and more efficient. How to define a function? To create a function, we use the word def, then the function's name, parentheses, and a colon. After that, we indent the code inside. This tells Python that everything indented belongs to the function. Why functions are useful? Functions are useful because they help us avoid repeating code, make programs easier to read, and let us handle complex tasks in a simple way. They are one of the most important tools for writing good programs. Calling a function. After defining a function, we need to call it to make it work. We just write the function's name, followed by the parentheses. Python will then run the code inside the function. For example, say hello. So here are some reasons why functions are important. First, functions organize and simplify code. They let us break a big program into a smaller parts which make it easier to understand and manage. Second, functions are reusable and flexible. Once we write a function, we can use it multiple times with a different inputs without rewriting the code. Third, functions make programs easier to read and maintain. They keep our code clean, so it's simpler to find and fix the mistakes. Here is an example. In this code, I made a function called greet that prints hello. I use greet to run the function. This way, the code inside the function can be used anytime without having to write it again. So here are some key points about function. First, they organize code by breaking big programs into smaller parts. Second, they are reusable so I can use the same code many times without rewriting it. And third, they are flexible because I can give them inputs and get outputs to use in my program.